I am Denise Palmer, and I am an illustrator, artist, and surface pattern designer working out of my studio close to the Gulf of Mexico, where water adventures and botanical plants surround my everyday life. Welcome to these video chats, where I talk about some of the techniques I've used to create my artwork and chat about all things illustration, art, and design. In this time-lapse video, I'm sketching Thistle in Procreate, and I list the Procreate brushes I use in the description below this video. If you would like to learn more about the process I use for sketching, you can get my sketching guide below this video as well. I used to sketch on paper, but ever since I got my iPad, which was quite a few years ago now, I only sketch on my iPad in Procreate because I love it so much. I wish I could say that expensive equipment is not needed. Well, technically, you don't need it, but it does make drawing a lot easier, at least for me. The thistle I'm sketching here, I created for the watercolor paintings I was creating for my son and daughter-in-law's wedding to design their wedding invitations for them. So even though I'm drawing this in Procreate, they were traditionally hand-painted in watercolor. Once I got the rough drawing in place, I refined the sketch to really bring the details out by making little adjustments as I layered the sketches on top of each other. I do this so I'm not starting another sketch from scratch, and so the first sketch helps me build up a better version of the drawing that then I can then use for painting these flowers. Here is a look at the pattern design that I created with all the artwork for this project, and we used it as a backer design for their wedding invitations. I will be sharing more process videos, so be sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching.